This video goes through the solution for Effective Maths exercise 8.3 on page 146, question 27. So in this question, I'm told first of all that u equals log to the base 9 of x, and then I'm asked to find a number of things in terms of u. And the first thing that I'm asked to write in terms of u is x. Well, the easiest way to do this is to just write my expression, or my equation, I should say, in exponent form. So 9 to the power of u equals x. So x is just simply 9 to the power of u. Next, I want to sort out log to the base 9 of 3x. Well, in this case, I've got multiplication of 3 by x. So what I'm going to be able to do is apply rule 1. And this allows me to rewrite log to the base 9 of 3x as log to the base 9 of 3 and log to the base 9 of x. Well, straight away we recognise that log to the base 9 of x is u, so we're going to be able to replace that. And we can also evaluate log to the base 9 of 3. To evaluate log to the base 9 of 3, I'm just going to let it equal to y for a moment. And writing it then in exponent form, I can say that 9 to the power of y equals 3. Getting the same base on both sides, I can write that as 3 squared to the power of y equals 3 to the power of 1. And then using my rule from indices that allows me to multiply powers when I have a power to a power, I can write that as 3 to the power of 2y equals 3 to the power of 1. At this point then I've got one term on each side with the same base. I can cross that out. 2y is equal to 1, and so y is equal to a half. Now, of course, I was using y to represent log to the base 9 of 3. So now that I've evaluated it as a half, my final solution is going to be a half plus u. Finally, I want to sort out log to the base x of 81. Now, clearly when I go back and review what u was, the base I'm operating with for u is 9 and this base is x, so I need to change base. So I'm going to change to a base 9, and I can write this as log to the base 9, 81 over log to the base 9 x. You can go through the same process as we did in part 2 to evaluate log to the base 981 using exponents, or you might spot, because it's quite an obvious one, that 9 to the power of 2 is 81, so the log to the base 9 of 81 is 2. So it's 2 on the top, and then of course log to the base 9x is just u, so 2 over u is my solution.